I love to bookmark things in Google Chrome. It helps me to find things quickly and to keep on top of documents and projects that I'm working on. Bookmarking is so much more than adding a website shortcut to your browser. When you bookmark, you can add websites into themed folders. For example, I have a bookmark folder titled Design with all the websites I use for design purposes. I also have a bookmark folder on courses with any courses that I run. Notice how I even have folders within folders? Did I mention that I love to use bookmarks? Let's jump into Google Chrome and learn how to do this. The first step to bookmarking is to ensure that your bookmarks bar is visible. You can do this by selecting the three dots from the top right-hand corner of Google Chrome. From here, a menu will appear. Head down to the option that says Bookmarks and make sure that Show Bookmarks Bar has been selected. Your bookmarks bar will now be visible. To add a new bookmark, start by navigating to the page you would like to bookmark. I'm going to add a bookmark to our company's contact management system, Contact On. At the end of your Omnibox, you will see a little star. This is your bookmarking star. When you click on it, a little window will appear. Notice how it says Bookmark Added. If you have a look at what this bookmark currently looks like, it has the favicon for Contact On, as well as the page name. This is a lot of text to have on a bookmark, as it will limit the amount of bookmarks you can have visible on your bookmarks bar. From this little pop-up window, whatever you have in the name field will appear as your bookmark name. For example, if I change this field to say Contact On, only the word Contact On will appear on my bookmarks bar. If you are bookmarking a site and you know the favicon really well, you don't need to have a word next to it. Have a look at YouTube. YouTube is an internationally recognized icon. I don't really need the word YouTube to appear here to tell me that this little icon represents a YouTube bookmark. In this case, right-click on the bookmark and choose to edit. Here you will see a window with the same name field. Instead of having a name here, remove the text completely and select Save. Notice how I can only see the favicon on the bookmark bar now? You can do this for any bookmark that you may want to have on your bookmarks bar. There you go. I have a fair amount of useful bookmarks added to my bookmarks bar. If you need to rearrange the order in which these bookmarks appear, simply drag them around and position them as needed. Now that we have seen how to add bookmark favicons and bookmark a page, let's have a look at creating folders on your bookmarks bar. In order to do this, right-click in a blank space on your bookmarks bar. A menu will appear. On this menu, you will find the option to add a folder. Give your folder a name and select Save. Let's navigate to a new page to add to this folder. I am going to head to Google's keyword blog, where Google posts all their latest stories, product updates, and company news. Head to the star at the end of your Omnibox. I want to add this to the folder I have created, titled Google. In the name field, I would like to remember that this is the keyword blog, so I will edit the field to say keyword blog. The next option down is where the location of the bookmark will be. If I leave it as bookmarks bar, it will be added to my bookmarks bar. If you select the Samusa drop-down arrow, you will see that you can change the location of your bookmark. Here I can see the folder titled Google. When I select it and say Done, the keyword blog bookmark will now appear in that folder. You can add as many bookmarks that you need to these folders. If you would like to add a folder within a folder, simply create a new folder on your bookmarks bar, as we did before, and drag and drop it into the folder you would like it to appear in. That bookmark folder will now appear as a subfolder. Something that is important to be aware of when you go to a new page that you want to bookmark, for example, Google's Family Link page. When I select the bookmark star now, notice how on this menu, it will remember the last location that I added a bookmark. Be sure to change this location to your bookmarks bar or to the relevant folder if need be. If you find that you have many bookmarks that need to be sorted out or managed, Google Chrome has a bookmarks manager that you can access. Head to your three dots in the top right-hand side of your browser, down to Bookmarks, and select Bookmarks Manager. Here, you can edit and move bookmarks around, sort by name, add new folders, or export and import bookmarks. I hope you see the value in bookmarking after this video. It can really save you time and help you keep your browser organized. Spend some time adding bookmarks to the sites that you access often, such as Gmail or Calendar.